A really bitter cup of coffee is a bad way to start your day. And if your coffee almost always tastes bitter, you need to know where you're going wrong. You can't keep living like this. When coffee beans and water mix, there's a chemical reaction that extracts bitterness from the beans. And if you haven't mixed them right, the coffee and water will over-extract that bitterness, and what do you end up with? A terrible cup of coffee. Here are 4 steps you can take to make that problem go away. And don't forget to share your tips in the comments below. Step 1, don't let your coffee steep for too long. This is a bigger problem for people using a French press since they tend to leave the coffee in the press too long. The longer the water and the beans are left together, the more bitterness they extract. Once your coffee is steeped for about 4 minutes, pour it into an insulated travel mug and get rid of the beans. Much better. Step 2, grind your beans properly. If you grind your own coffee beans, it can take a bit of trial and error to find just the right balance. If they're too coarsely ground, the water and beans will under-extract, giving you a coffee that tastes flat and sour. If it's ground too fine, you'll over-extract those flavors and get too much bitterness. And depending on how you brew your coffee in a French press or a coffee maker, you'll need to grind your beans accordingly. If your coffee's still bitter, play with the process a bit. Step 3, check your water temperature. If your water is too hot, it will over-extract and make your coffee bitter too. And guess what? Boiling water is too hot for your coffee. The ideal temperature for your water is between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, and water boils at 212 degrees. So if the kettle's boiling, let the water sit for a couple minutes before pouring it over your coffee grounds. Step 4, clean your coffee machine. A dirty coffee machine has residues and mineral deposits that can affect the flavor of your coffee. Give everything a good clean after each use. Follow these 4 simple steps to get your day started right with a great cup of coffee. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment telling us what you do to brew great tasting coffee. And while you're at it, visit us at Fix.com for more useful videos, blogs, and so much more.